Welcome to this episode of Stranded in Nature. Today, Big Strand Near Wood. Fuck. Near Strand Big Wood. Yes, sir.
You're illiterate.
Fuck you. Right here, we're trying to get to number 8. We're using a handy calculator.
That's compass.
That's close enough. And we need to go north. Alright, that's it. We'll see if we make it. Welcome to Mother Nature 3.0. Chris cracked his phone. That's alright. This is a valley. You can tell it's an alley because there's trees up there and we're down here. That's a wild diabetic. Look at the way he hops through the branches like a majestic monkey. Look at the way he looks at the camera. Smile and decrepit. Almost like the Riddler from the Batman series. Batman. Now he's stuck. He's kind of retarded. He took yours, you idiot.
No, I took your water.
Water's everywhere. Even inside the bloodstream. That ends episode 2. Come back next time. Back to In Nature. That is our bridge. That's a little dangerous. I'm a little suicidal. The diabetic's gonna kill himself. I've tripped many a times in the last 3 minutes for the last recording.
There is a
Water.
yeah, that's a river.
Fun fact, standing water contains bacteria. Don't drink from ponds, lakes, unless you know there is a spring going through it. Look at the diabetic in his natural habitat. Throwing it back like a hometown girl. Okay, that is all. I'll see you on the next episode of In Nature. What's up, gamers? We just got the 6th one, number 5, which is Jay. It took us a very long time. It was like 20, 30 minutes. But we got all the other ones planned out. Lickety split. You know how it is. This is Turk. We love Turk. That's all. Fuck you. See you later. Back at it again with our teacher, Mr. Rose. In the flesh. He's a lovely guy. We're on to number 3. Living the dream. Looking for George in his room.
He got lost.
They're dead. That is all. See you in the next episode of Stranded in the Woods. Good evening, gamers. I'm CNBC. And we just finished. This is our lovely view. It took us so long. A very fun time. That's it. That's everything. Tune in next week for Naked and Afraid.